was a diabetic. I had thyroid. I was a big time migraine patient, always thinking and into the pain always. But once I started the breathing exercise and I have to do regular exercises, my all reports were coming to normal.
So, welcome to the Rise to Fame interview with my beautiful energy queen, Kavita Agarwal, and she's risen. She's risen in all the areas of her life for that matter. Right? Today, she's going to be sharing with us her success story as to who she was before she actually joined the Energy Queens Hub, and then how did her transformation take place, and what are all the things that she's achieved today. Right? So, without further delay, over to you, Kavita. Right? This is your moment because you've got the Rise to Fame award in our Energy Queens community. And now it's time to share the story with everyone who's watching this video and inspire each one of them. So over to you, Kavita. Let me just introduce yourself, I would say, in a bit. And then where are you from and what do you do? And then after that, you can talk about your before and what really changed you.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Kavita Agarwal from Hyderabad. And today, this is an honorable moment for me to be with you. And you are interviewing me, an energy queen who is a real energy. I can feel the energy. So every time I don't miss your live sessions. Before marriage, I was like, I was a girl who was very shy, and I have faced challenges also before marriage, the financial crisis, and the same pattern has repeated after marriage also. I was really, on the phase of committing suicide, what to do. I was not understanding anything. But one day as I was scrolling my Facebook, I just saw you. Something got connected with your energy. I got connected with your energy, and I just enrolled myself into the master class, and enrolling myself into that master class was a game changer for me, ma'am. Do you believe me or not? It was a game changer for me. And I just enrolled myself into the silver membership. I had no idea that what I'm going to do with, but your classes, I was actively doing every classes of your, I was not missing any classes. Though I belong to Agarwal family, you know how hectic the schedule is. But my husband supported me in the journey, and my main intention was I was struggling financially. So I wanted to prove that yes, and if something can happen with the energies, once we align our inner truth with the higher self and surrendering completely ourselves to the universe, anything is possible. And I just did. I was always like into the people pleasing curve. कोई तारीफ कर दिया बहुत खुश हो गई, but no, you made me understand that you should please your own self and the higher self. I just started working on all your tools and techniques, and Ho'oponopono prayer, what modality you taught was a real, a blessing to me. I just started doing every day. And the consistency is the main key, ma'am. What I understood is consistent. I have to be consistent in my learnings. And learnings is not just important. As you always say, content is available everywhere. You can get it in the chat GPT, Google, but implementation and the way you taught us how to implement the things, I learned that, ma'am. I applied whatever I got connected to. Everywhere in my room, there is the word ATM. People used to say, what is this ATM? What, should we ping and notes will come out? I said, no. You have to open your heart for that. Always there is more. You should always be in the gratitude mode that universe is blessing you with more and more and more abundance always. And my life has completely changed. And ma'am, in the before, like when I was a student, I used to receive so many awards, but after marriage, all my dreams were buried. Taking the responsibility as a wife, a daughter in law, a mother, I forgot my own self. All those awards, recognition, all disappeared like anything. But the day I received this Rise to Fame award from your hand on the stage, my life transformed completely. Even my in-laws were appreciating. I was getting calls from my in-laws, those who were like doubting me. Who is she? She used to tell that she received so many go, but what is she doing with this with her life? Now they are all proud of me. And yes, ma'am, I have changed my journey a lot, and I'm making a real impact on others. Now my purpose when I joined was to make a transformation in my own journey. But now this purpose is not just to me. As you have enlightened a spark in me, now I want to illuminate that spark in others also, so that
Amazing.
no other Kavita should suffer.
So basically, tell us what are the real life transformations also that we are seeing. So I know that the journey is very beautiful. Now tell me, so since you got the award, I'm sure you've got some tangible benefits also, right? So in your health, in your money, in your career, in your relationships, all of it. So whichever area you felt the most impact, please share about that with our community. Yes.
Frequency. Nidhi Nova, first of all, I will talk about the money frequency. I was a homemaker earning zero. My expenses were more than my income. I was earning nothing. Suddenly, after joining your community, I was a tarot reader, certified professional tarot reader in 2017, but I was doing nothing. But when I joined your class, I got, and when I started aligning my energies with the universal energies, I got opportunity of working on to AstroTalk, and I started earning 10,000 per month, though I was not consistent because I wanted to grow more and more in learnings. I was not missing here any of the classes, as you know.
Mm.
Had been consistent, I would have easily earned 30 to 50,000, but I wanted to grow more. The first Nidhi Nova win was that yes, I started earning on my own. And ma'am, this Goa retreat, this Goa retreat was with my own money. I did not ask for anybody, not I did not seek validation from anybody. I could do it on my
Amazing.
own because I was a working professional now. And
Super.
yes, Ganglo Health. I was a diabetic. I had thyroid. I was a big time migraine patient, always thinking and into the pain always. But once I started the breathing exercise and I have to do regular exercises. My all reports were coming to normal now. All diabetic normal, thyroid normal, migraine, yes. Still, I face the pre-menopause migraines sometimes once in a month. They used to be 4 times in a week. Now they have reduced to once in a month. That too, I am able, without the painkiller, I am able to tackle that because I am doing the EFT and the Hoponopono healing and the breathing exercise, what you taught to me. And yes, Eka Essence, as you know, I am earning. I have been into the, and now after receiving this award, ma'am, now I have, like, I will not end up just to tarot readings. I will start coaching. I will start teaching how to read the tarot cards. That
Amazing. Love it. Super duper amazing. So you found your purpose, right?
I found my purpose in the Goa retreat that yes, now I am ready to ascend, ma'am.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kavita ji. Would love to get tarot card reading for myself and everyone. It's so amazing. Thank you so much for this and beautiful journey. Thank you. And we can see that spark in you. If there's any one last message if you want to share with the community, what would that be?
Yes, take 100% responsibility of your own life. Stop complaining and blaming. Be consistent in your work and don't miss any of the live classes of Ritu ma'am. And yes, if you are working a professional, please see the recorded sessions, but definitely work on it. Don't keep on. In the beginning, I was just making notes. Don't do that. What you get connected to, implement that. And yes, once a woman decides to do anything, she can do everything. Taught by my beautiful Ritu ma'am. She is the energy, and we get the energy from her. And ma'am,
Thank you so
you
much.
are my universe. I can just say that. Whenever I talk to universe, I was like, Ritu ma'am is there and I'm talking to her. Believe me, you are my universe, ma'am. You have brought the transformation in me. And yesterday, when I got the message from Varsha that ma'am is going to interview you, I was just rolling it. Tears were rolling out. I was not understanding. Yes, universe has given me the appointment to talk with me. It was like that to me, ma'am.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much, Kavita, for sharing this. And God bless you always with more and more and more wins now in your life. You know? So now we are not going to be stopping. I know that. Right? Right.
Unstoppable, ma'am. I'm an energy queen and I'm unstoppable.
I
I
love
have
that.
a cage.
I love that. Thank you so much. Love that.
I and help others too to fly in this mission.
Yes. Amazing. Thank you so much. One more time, Kavita ji. And yes. So super duper amazing to have you, and giving you the Rise to Fame award was a pleasure for me. So thank you so much for taking it. Thank you, my dear. You deserve it. All right, amazing. Once again, congratulations and thank you.